Welcome to Hope Talker English.
From today, we are going to start Rapidex from 0 level. Please watch full video. Greetings, morning to 12 p.m. Good morning, Grandpa. Good morning, Grandpa. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Greetings. 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Good afternoon, Grandma. Good afternoon, Grandma. Good afternoon, Mummy. Good afternoon, Mummy. Good afternoon, dear. Good afternoon, dear. Greetings. After 5 p.m. Good evening, Uncle. Good evening, Uncle. Good evening, Auntie. Good evening, Auntie. Good evening, dear. Good evening, dear. Greetings. At night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Good night. Sweet dreams. Greeting. Any time of day. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, sir. Greetings. At the time of meeting. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Informal greetings. Hi, Simmy. Hi, Simmy. Hi, Encore. Hi, Encore. Hello, Uncle. Hello, Uncle. Hello, Mrs. Mara. Hello, Mrs. Mara. Goodbye, children. Goodbye, children. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Farewell, dear. Farewell, dear. Bye, see you. Bye, see you. Things to remember. Grandfather. Grandpa. Father. Dad, Daddy. Grandmother. Grandma. Mother. Mom, Mommy. We say Uncle. To. And we say Auntie. To. Respectful word for any man. Sir. And. Respectful word for any woman. Madam. Brother and sister. Cousin, brother and cousin, sister. Before the name of the married woman. Mrs. And. Before the name of the unmarried woman. Miss. If you want to continue this series, please comment. Thanks for watching.